Good morning, children. In the previous video, we had started with the chapter fraction and we had done the introduction of the chapter in that video and worked based on it. Today we will be moving to page number 116, the next part of this chapter, and we'll learn something new today. Now see, what is the heading of the page here? Fraction of a collection. Some collections are given here and you have to show that if that collection is written in fraction form, how will that be written? Okay, so look at the given figure. This is the figure. ये figure आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. एक circle है, उसे 4 equal parts में divide किया गया है and one of the part has been painted in blue. Okay, shaded part of the circle is represented by 1/4. This is the shaded part of the circle, and if this shaded part of the circle has to be written in the form of fraction, तो आप इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? पहले आप काउंट करेंगे टोटल कितने पार्ट्स हैं. 1 2 3 4, टोटल 4 पार्ट्स, and the shaded part is shown here, which is 1/4. Altogether 4 parts are here. 1 2 3 4. So the total parts we always write at the bottom. टोटल पार्ट को हम हमेशा नीचे लिखते हैं. जिस पार्ट को शेड किया गया है, only one part has been shaded, so that is 1/4. This is the shaded part. Okay, so shaded part of the circle is represented by 1/4. and it is referred as 1/4. इसे कैसे पढ़ते हैं? इसे पढ़ते हैं 1/4. Here it is written 1/4. Now that part which has not been shaded, जिस पार्ट को शेड नहीं किया गया है, वो कितने हैं? 1 2 3. So 3 part has not been shaded out of 4. टोटल 4 पार्ट्स हैं और 4 पार्ट्स में से 3 पार्ट्स शेड नहीं किए गए हैं. दैट मीन्स द अनशेडेड पार्ट इज 3/4. अनशेडेड पार्ट कितने हो गए? 3/4. 3 out of 4. दैट इज द अनशेडेड पार्ट, and shaded part is 1/4. 1 out of 4. Now let us come to the next picture. You can see here small boxes are there. Okay, this side also and this side also, top to bottom and left to right. Now see here, in this figure, shaded part is, this is the shaded part. Only one part has been shaded. Now total how many parts are there? Same equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We will not count this again. Already we have counted down when we have gone top to bottom. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now we will not count this again because we have already counted this. So total 9 parts है. 9 parts में से कितने parts शेड कर दिए गए? सिर्फ 1 part शेड किया गया है. So the shaded part is 1/9. Okay, and what is the unshaded part? कितने parts इसमें से शेड नहीं हैं? तो वो काउंट कर लेना है कितने parts शेड नहीं है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the unshaded part is 8/9. That is 8 out of 9. 8 out of 9 box is unshaded. 8/9. How is this is read as? इसे कैसे पढ़ते हैं? इसे पढ़ते हैं 8/9. और इसे कैसे पढ़ेंगे? 1/9. How is this read as? 1/9. 1/9 means 1 out of 9 parts. 9 parts में से एक पार्ट. 8/9 means 8 out of 9 parts. Okay. Now let us come to the next example. Here few mango bites are given, mango bite toffees, and in the collection of 8 toffees, 3 are mango bites. Total toffees are there and only 3 toffees are mango bites. Others are of different flavor. Now the mango bites, the fraction of mango bite in this is 3/8, because total is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total how many toffees you are having here? Total is 8 toffees. And out of this, 3 toffees are mango bites. So the fraction of mango bite is 3/8. And this is referred as 3/8. How is this referred as? 3/8. Now if the question is asked that how many toffees, what fraction of toffees are not mango bites, इसमें से कौन सा फ्रैक्शन मैंगो बाइट नहीं है? तो कितने हैं जो मैंगो बाइट्स नहीं है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toffees are not mango bite. 5 out of how many? 5 out of 8. So 5/8 is not mango bites. And how is this written? 5/8 इसे लिखेंगे कैसे? अगर वर्ड्स में लिखना है तो दिस वुड बी 5/8. EIGHTHS 5/8. Okay. Now move to the next example. 10 shapes are given. You can see here 10 different shapes are given and some shapes are repeated also. In these 10 shapes, 3 are triangles. 1, 2, 3. So what is the fraction of triangle among these shapes? इसमें triangles के fraction क्या हैं इन shapes में? तो आप इसे count करके देख लीजिए. Total 3 triangle हैं तो 3 will be at the top. And how many shapes are there? Total number of shapes is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 shapes हैं. तो जो total होता है वो नीचे रहता है और उसमें से किसके बारे में आपको बताना है? उसमें से triangles के बारे में बताना है. तो number of triangles will be at the top. So 3/10 of shapes in the collection are triangles. अब मैं अगर आपसे पूछूं कि how many of the collection are circle, then what will be your answer? Now see how many are circle here? 1, 2. Only 2 are circles. So the collection of circle in this shapes are 2/10. Total there are 10 shapes. So 10 will be written at the bottom. Total is always written at the bottom. And out of 10, 2 shapes are circle. So 2 is written at the top. Shade the figures. Now let us come to the worksheet. This is worksheet 1. The explanation that I have just given you now, you have to implement that explanation in this worksheet. अभी जो मैंने आपको समझाया था उसी को इस वर्कशीट में करना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वर्कशीट 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. शेड द फिगर्स दैट रिप्रेजेंट द गिवन फ्रैक्शन. फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ है, फिगर भी दिया हुआ है, आपको शेड करना है. 2/3. 2/3 means what? Total there are 3 parts. The total part is always written at the bottom. Total 3 parts हैं. आप देखिए यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3. इसमें से कितने पार्ट को शेड करना है? 2 parts. So any 2 parts you have to shade it. 1, 2. I have said it this 2 part. You can say it this 2 part or this 2 part. Any, आप किसी को भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ ध्यान रखना है कि आपको सिर्फ 2 पार्ट्स को शेड करने हैं. ओके, you can use pencil color also, you can use crayons also, but please do not use sketch pen for shading because this spoils the next page. Now number 2, 7 by 15. 7 by 15 means altogether there are 15 boxes. इन 15 boxes में से आपको कितने boxes को शेड करने हैं? 7. Any 7. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ लगातार ही शेड करते जाएं. Any 7, कोई भी 7 बॉक्स आप शेड कर दीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have shaded these 7 boxes. It is not necessary that you have to shade this 7 box only. आप इसमें से कोई भी 7 box को shade कर सकते हैं. Okay. In the same way you have to do this. This is 3 by 5. The next one, number D, is 4 by 6. And the last one, number E, is 6 by 8. Accordingly, you see what is the fraction here and then you shade that according to the fraction given. Let us move to the next one. That is number 2. Write the fraction to represent the shaded part in each. This is just the opposite of what we have done now. इसमें आपको फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ था, आपको उसे शेड करके दिखाना था. यहाँ पर शेड करके दिया हुआ है, आपको उसका फ्रैक्शन लिखना है. ओके, नाउ सी हियर, हाउ मेनी इक्वल पार्ट्स आर हियर? टोटल इक्वल पार्ट्स 1, 2, 3. तो जो टोटल है उसे नीचे लिखेंगे. 3 you will write at the bottom. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2. So you will write 2 here. Answer is 2 by 3. Now come to the second question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Altogether there are 12 boxes. So 12 equal boxes, 12 we will write at the bottom. ऊपर में कितने बॉक्स बच गए हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the shaded boxes is 4. The number of shaded boxes पिंक से शेड किए गए हैं. देखिए यहाँ पे पिंक कलर से 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 shaded boxes are here. So the fraction would be 4 by 12. In the same way you will do this one. पहले आप काउंट कर लीजिए टोटल कितने पार्ट्स हैं. टोटल पार्ट्स विल बी रिटन एट द बॉटम. फिर आप काउंट कीजिए टोटल कितने पार्ट येलो से शेड किए गए हैं एंड देन दैट पार्ट विल बी रिटन एट द टॉप. सो दिस इज सी नंबर. लेट मी सी इफ वी हैव एनी मोर क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस. नो, वी हैव ओनली गॉट 3 questions. So this is your work for today. Okay, I have given the classwork and homework in the WhatsApp group. After listening to the entire video, you can see the WhatsApp group. Your classwork and homework is mentioned there. Thank you.